So apparently I invented this one. I thought that this was the Massera, and it is not. So I'll show you what the Massera is, and then I will show you what I've been doing, which is a pretty cool way to get a very bulky looking bun, a very bulky looking braided bun. So especially if your hair is not as long or thick as mine, this would probably be really good for you. I am going to start with a Dutch braid all the way down. Pause at this point, brush it out again. One thing I don't like about doing French and Dutch braids is I feel like they get really tangly as I go. Go sit down. Okay, so the Massera is you fold the French braid and put a clip across here. What I've been doing is, because the Dutch braid creates this little relief here and it sticks out, I've been wrapping the braid around that. So straight up the side of it. Amazing spin pins that I just started using. Over the top.
Hey, do you want to watch, oh, what's it called?
Hello Ninja?
Hello Ninja!
Do you want to watch Hello Ninja?
Yes!
Okay, let's watch Hello Ninja upstairs.
I'll be there shortly.
Okay.
Hello Ninja!
Hello.
So you see it creates a flat bun that is quite voluminous. I'm open to suggestions on what to call this. Right now I'm calling it a Dutch braided bun, which is descriptive, but you know, Dutch could be misleading because it's not ethnically Dutch. So yeah, let me know your suggestions of a better name for it.